see, it's very cold out of here. That's why I'm dressing like that. But I'm here to change this 2008 Acura starter. My friend came here with the car and he just stopped it. The car doesn't want to start. Trying to start it, but it doesn't want to start. So we figured out that was the starter. We already got the new starter. So I'm just gonna replace it with the old one. Final out. That's the old one. That's the new one right there. Already put the starter back over there, so I'm gonna connect the battery and then I'm gonna go start it. Now it's time to start it. Bismillah.